Hi, I'm Scott Lee. I'm the founder of Guru. This year, 19.4 million children want to be enrolled in after-school activities. But due to the high cost of programming and lack of safe transportation, they're not. Plus, with the ongoing global pandemic, students face even greater barriers to quality education. Extracurriculums are proven to boost confidence and encourage social development. They inspire creative thinking, critical skills, and curiosity. Through Guru Clubs, students from all around the world can access expert-led courses in art, science, music, engineering, environmentalism, and more. We avoid the barriers of overpricing and commuting by providing students with dynamic, beautifully shot educational experiences. These are paired with affordable hands-on projects, activities, and quizzes. Guru Clubs is made with fun, intentionality, and a passion for accessible education. What are you waiting for? Join the club.